All right, and we are back to Project 996. I'm actually excited to get back into this one. Claudio has been working very diligently to get this motor back all together. Last time we left you guys, we were in a small issue because we took the engine apart, and unfortunately the damage of the engine was a little bit too far for our liking. This bearing got so hot and it was getting pushed down by so much pressure from the crankshaft that it melted. This is really bad. This is like super overheating. It was going to put the customer in a predicament of having to get his engine rebuilt, buy a new engine, or maybe upgrade to something better. Long story short, to rebuild his engine was going to be anywhere from the $15,000 to $20,000 range. To buy a brand new engine, we were like in the $40,000 range. Realistically, this is a 996, so it's not one of those high dollar cars. This is more of a normal Porsche owner car. Long story short, the customer and us, we kind of agreed together that we chose to go with this route. This essentially is a 997 3.8 liter flat six, which realistically is the same exact motor as the 996 engine that was in here. There are some slight modifications, some slight differences. Like the first one that you see, there is a breather assembly. Like this is a breather assembly from a 996. This is the whole of the breather assembly for a 997. So there are some parts that are going to have to get changed and ordered for. This motor is built a little bit stronger than the 996 motor. With that being said, this engine was remanufactured, was rebuilt. They sent us a really good engine. It was packaged perfectly. Props to them. It is very, very, very nice to see a used engine company go so far on the quality of this engine. So good job on that. Like I said, this is a 3.8 flat six. On top of putting this engine all back together, we do have tons of goodies that are going to go onto it. So like how some of you guys know, this car was pro-charged, and I believe the reason why it broke was this pro charger, because honestly you were boosting a motor that had 20 years of life and it wasn't in the best shape. What we are going to be doing is verifying that all the components on this VF Engineering Pro Charger kit, this is the first generation of the Pro Charger kit, so we're probably going to be going through all the bearings, just making sure everything's good. We're also going to be double checking the air to water cooler, because this engine does run hot. VF Engineering has upgraded the air to water intercooler system, which is this guy. So this will turn coolish water into the charge system. It brings down the temperatures for the intakes, so that way the motor can run more efficiently and we can get way more boost. And I think my favorite part of putting engines together is actually cleaning them up and making them look brand new. So Claudio right now is in the parts cleaner, and we're literally going to be cleaning every single part that goes in. It's a special degreaser, a special agent that goes into these cleaners to be able to clean them and not damage them. It is really nice seeing like a brand new engine, which is not really a new engine, but it's going to look just like it. So with that being said, sit back and enjoy Claudio putting this monster back together.
Alright, that wraps it up for episode 2 on Project 996. We were able to see Claudio clean up all the old parts off of the old engine and fit them to the new 997 engine. In episode 3, we're going to see Claudio fit this motor back into the car, add the supercharger, add the polish headers, and hopefully, if everything goes according to plan, we're going to hear this motor start up for the first time. If you like what you see in these videos and you want to watch more, you want to watch the whole transition, the whole project on 996, best thing to do is to hit that like button, then hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week, and every Thursday we're going to post a new project video, whether that's Project 996, Roy's S4, or our newest project, our S4. These are great series, and there's a lot of cool things to see what happens behind the scenes on these bigger builds right in our shop. And if you're in the market, if you live here in Florida or you're part of the Southeast, if you're looking for a premier auto technician that knows how to work on your vehicle and knows how to get the job done correctly, best thing to do is to hit up Lake County Euros. Head down to the description box below, check out our website, see what happens here at the shop. Until next time, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you here at Lake County Euros.